Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Dynam C47, have a little bit of fun with her. My rates are 100% throws over 30% expo, and just a really nice flying bird. You have to be careful on takeoff. This is not the kind of plane that you just give full throttle and take off, because then she'll cartwheel off to the right on you. So you have to get her up on deck, get her flying, get that tail up, and stay on that rudder. Oh man, that wind has changed directions out on me today, and this has a really big rudder, so it see? Well, those invasion stripes really look good. Of course, this is a big scale transport plane, so not really designed to do aerobatics. I'm running an AR-410 antennaless receiver in her because she is a 4-channel plane after all. Well, I guess I'm not going to land. Never did touch.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
But yeah, you have to stay on a rudder. Passengers in the plane are throwing their guts up. They're like, that crazy pilot. There, never let the tail touch. That was good. When she's up on her main, she's very controllable. When that tail wheel's down, a little bit different. So rudder control is very important. Yeah, that was my mistake there. Trying to get a good landing out of her.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, yeah, that was a good landing. That's what I was looking for right there. When you're taxiing her, don't go fast. She will turn around quickly on you. See, I gave her a little bit of throttle and she immediately went off to the right. So I had to give left rudder just to keep her take off straight. very predictable. Of course, it'd be nice if I could have a... I'm flying this pattern because the way the crosswind is, it's right across the runway, making it very difficult. I'm really having to stay on my rudder to land straight. Oh boy. Yeah, don't be in a hurry on the ground with this thing. That's full speed. So you can see she's not a, definitely not a rocket ship.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoa! That could have been bad. You give her the gas, she'll go straight up. Yeah, I gave her full throttle and she wants to climb on you. And that's okay. That's a good looking plane. I really like those invasion stripes. I know I keep saying that, but really helps with orientation. This plane here, Dynam did right. Building her is a little different, but flying her, she flies really well. Whoa! Ah! Oh man! Shoot! Oh man! Well, dang, I've had this plane for years too. Well, I can epoxy the nacelle back on. Man, that came off. Shoot. There's my props pieces. Dang it. I just cartwheeled in. I gave her too much gas. I don't know what I did right now. Yeah, I'm sorry. Motor off. Well, that's in one piece. Looks like I just lost the nacelle. But I think that's pretty repairable. All right, we'll see. Well, folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. That was pilot error. I don't know why. It stalled, tip stalled, whatever. I don't know. There you go, but that happens. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye. God bless.